What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another video. If this is your first time here, be sure to subscribe to the channel and tap the bell. That way you don't miss anything. It's Wednesday. We got a lot of work to do, and we're getting started right now. I got some things stirring in the pot. Top secret right now, but I've been going to work. Yeah, got to get some things going because this is the journey to becoming a professional speaker. And I'm on to some things. I'm telling you what, but it's not official yet, so I got to keep quiet about it. About to get a quick workout in. Well, not a quick workout. Jam out about an hour's worth of back and biceps. And then it's time to go get the kiddos. Yeah, it's already in the afternoon. I've been slacking today on the vlogging part. Been working, though. Been working. Huh?
Make sure you use these first.
Okay, I'm about to go bad or something.
Well, yeah, because I bought these before I used those, and you used those cartons.
You got water on your glasses.
I know, because I'm gonna grill it when I'm drinking.
I just got done smashing some back and biceps and some abs, and then I'm getting ready to run. But my wife cooked me some egg whites, some fast digesting protein, so I can feed the muscles real quick. Yeah. She is determined. It's been raining like this for a week straight. We had some sunshine yesterday, but that was it. Yeah, I'm going to. Let's see. My wife really loves me. She loves me. You love me?
Sometimes.
She loves me. Right now it's definitely time that she loves me. Of course I love you. Back down here, getting ready to get the little 20-minute cardio in, then I gotta go get those crazy kids.
You mean monster?
Me and Isabella, a little mentorship one-on-one today. We just talked about successful people have the habit of doing things that failures don't like to do. And they don't like to do them neither necessarily, but their dislike is subordinated to their purpose, which means...
I can still eat this because it lasts very long.
Yeah, which means that their dislike of doing something is lower than their purpose, their want of having that happiness.
So like my mom just likes eating gum.
Yeah, I guess. Alright, we gotta go get the kids, we're running late. I know everybody else here in the St. Louis area agrees with me when I say this. We can't wait to get some sunshine around here. Hey, where you going? Hey, we're not leaving just yet. On our way home, finally got these crazy kids in the car. They like to run out of the daycare and run wild in the parking lot and get on Daddy's last nerve. But they're kids and I love them, and we're on our way home.
Garlic bread. That's what I told you. You go, okay. Here you go, Zach. Do you want to?
No, we're fine.
Oh, good job. Look, he's like, I'm ready for this.
Time to wrap it on up today. If you're digging what I'm throwing down right here, be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know what you think about it in the comments below. I'd love to get your feedback. And tomorrow, I'll be back at you with some fire content. Our first Toastmasters meeting since the competition. Excited to get back in there.